Hello teachers and welcome back. It's James. It's been a long time since I did a video like this. You're looking at true or false for January 2022. To say true or false in Japanese is tadashi ka, machigaeteru ka, or just honto ka, uso ka. Anyway, I made up a whole bunch of statements, and this is targeted to junior high school students, but you can use this for 6th graders or even 5th graders, depending on their English experience. I find that true or false statements stimulate a student's mind. It also helps them to brainstorm the wording. Anyway, here is number 1. Canada is one of the top 5 safest countries in the world. The answer is true, by the way. Your students may or may not know the word safest. To say that in Japanese is ichiban anzen na. Safest country or safest countries is motomo anzen na kuni. So to say Canada is one of the top 5 safest countries in the world in Japanese is Canada wa sekai de motomo anzen na kuni no top 5 no hitotsu desu. Top 5 or top 10 is also in Japanese. 2. Canada is in South America. False. It's in North America. Your students need to know that South America is Minami America. 3. The capital of Canada is Ottawa. The capital of, in Japanese, is Shuto. So the capital of Canada is Ottawa. To say Ottawa in Japanese is Ottawa. They probably won't know that, but you just tell them that it is true. Kanada no shuto wa Ottawa desu. So the capital of Canada is Ottawa. 4. Canadian money is called Pesos. Canadian money is Canada money, or Kanada no tsuka. Canadian money is called Pesos. To say that in Japanese is Kanada no okane wa Pesos toyu. False. It's the Canadian dollar. Pesos is for Mexico. 5. Canada is the largest country in the world. To say that in Japanese is Kanada wa sekai ichiban okii no kuni desu. 6. Japan's country phone code is 81. Now your students will not know this. To say that in Japanese is Nihon no kuni no chiiki no denwa kodo wa 81 81 desu. You can try explaining this by saying that if they were in America or Canada and wanted to call home, they would have to dial 81. So the answer is true. 7. The Prime Minister of Japan is Fumio Kishida. This is true. Your students may or may not know who he is. I mean, they don't really care. To say the Prime Minister of Japan in Japanese is Nihon no Sori Daijin wa Fumio Kishida desu. It's true. 8. Japan is mostly mountains. Mostly can be changed to mainly. So, Japan, Nihon wa hotondo yama no kuni desu. It's true. 9. Japan has a rabbit island. True. It's near Hiroshima. 10. All Japanese have their own seals, hankos. Some students know about hankos, and they're going to say, I don't have a hanko. Well, you're not an adult. Even foreigners here in Japan have to have their own hanko. So you just tell them it's true. 11. This is math. Now read this really slowly. 11 plus 2 and 12 plus 1 both equal 13. Both is ryohou wa 13, 13 desu. 11 plus 2 and 12 plus 1 both equal 13. True. Pardon me for that typo in equals. It should be equal. Remember to read slowly, because it's very difficult for Japanese students to process English numbers. 2 times 0 equals 0. To say times in Japanese is kakeru. The answer is true. 13 and 14 are integers. To say that in Japanese is seisu. 13. Minus 5 rather than negative 5 times minus 5 equals plus 25. True. A negative times a negative, a minus times a minus equals a positive. 14. Minus 11 times plus 4 equals plus 44. False. You take the sign of the higher integer. And that is it for this lesson idea. Hopefully you found it interesting. You might even use it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.